my view, Cyprus is the beating heart of the classic scene in Europe, and there's a very, very vibrant classic car scene in Cyprus. There are many clubs, and 7 of them are part of the National Cyprus Federation of Classic Vehicles.
Yeah, I mean, when I booked this trip, I didn't really know anything about the classic scene in Cyprus at all. But I was very happy to find yourself, Steve, and to find out it's actually a very,
very vibrant scene.
Yeah, there's loads going on.
I think that if people are looking for an interesting holiday and they don't particularly want a beach holiday, you can come at any time of the year here, and generally the weather's good. It's not always good, we do have a few storms, but there's lots going on, and if you're a classic car person, there's lots of, if people contact me at the Paphos Classic Vehicle Club, we have a good website that's just been updated now, and if we know you're coming, we'll give you a great welcome, and you can be an honorary member, and we'll look after you as we're doing with you.
Fantastic, yeah, I mean, I can vouch for that. I was blown away by your warm response. It's been, this is going to be a highlight of the holiday already, being part of the convoy.